Hi family, how are you all doing? It's been a while since I last uploaded a long form content. Today I want to share with you guys how I achieved this yarn braids on short hair. One thing I want to say is while you are braiding your hair, make sure that the extension is on top of your natural hair and your hair isn't the one that is on top of the extension. I really hope this explanation makes a little bit of sense. No matter how crazy this sounds, but that's how you should do it. Then keep braiding it all the way down to the end of your yarn braids or until you get to your desired length. Just keep braiding like this, just the way I'm doing it. Then tie it off. Make sure to secure it tight. I'm going to tie mine twice here like this, so tie it that way. It's not going to unravel. Keep your eyes glued so you can watch this, learn, and recreate it. The purpose of watching this tutorial is so you'll be able to do it yourself. Keep watching, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. And here we are, we're done. This is me trying to apply leave-in conditioner, like break free, to my hair, to my scalp, because it smells amazing. It smells really nice. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.